We deal with upholstery cleaning, pressure washing, vehicle valeting, general property maintenance. Christmas time, busiest time of the year. Busy. Carpet, upholstery cleaning. I did some pressure washing here at this same location already.
Is it busy like this every year?
Every year, religiously. It start from the pace to start right actually for me from October. I got customers. This one of my usuals. I was dealing with this lady for like over 6 years now, constant. So I know for sure when a certain time comes, she just call and make her appointment. So when she ready, and I know what I gotta come and do. It's the same thing for guys and other people, but as the time go by, people now catching on the actual cleaning instead of going to buy carpets and buy furniture every year. People Bajans just be clean it and it bring it back to brand new. Give materials, give your stuff more years. You know what I mean? Save yourself some money. Well, save some money from buying it. You still got to pay to get it done. But other than that, every year for sure, guaranteed, it's getting busier and busier. They got some other people that know jumping up on the same field, so But the work has come for sure. The work has come for sure with you don't drop the ball, you don't drop the standard. We don't drop the ball, we don't drop the standard. So we just grow every year, more and more people. Like today, more calls still coming, more work still coming. They got at least 3 other locations to go for today alone itself. Still along with pressure washing they gotta do tonight. So it's be
and typically how long would it take for you to do cleaning?
Carpets and things so don't really take that long. I just normally use the sun and the elements to help dry for sure. But I have blowers and things, but those things keep a lot of noise. So once you're dealing with the sun and thing, a carpet will dry within an hour, really and truly. Chairs sometimes will take a little 2 hours. All depends on the size and thickness of the sponge and thing and how hot the sun is. The hotter the sun, the faster it can dry. So basically, it is the only really downfall and actually sometimes it be the rain. So if the rain was to come, no, I got scramble, but not scramble. I got tarpaulins to cover, but you know what I mean. Any day, you ain't gonna want that. But roughly 2 hours for a sofa set, 2.5. Carpet is good between half hour to hour, all depends on the size and the condition.